In this video, I'll guide you through the how to connect Constant Contact to Canva. If you're an avid user of both platforms, integrating them can streamline your design and email marketing efforts significantly. Whether you're crafting newsletters or designing stunning visuals, this connection will make your workflow much more efficient. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. This is your starting point for accessing the resources you need. If you haven't already, log in with your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have your login details ready to go, as you'll need access to the back end of Constant Contact to proceed. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Assets section. You can find this option easily on the main navigation bar. Clicking on Assets will take you to a section where you can manage and organize your designs and files stored within Constant Contact. After accessing the Assets section, your next step is to click on Library. This is where all your files, images, and documents are stored. In the library, you'll have a comprehensive view of all the media you've uploaded or saved on the platform, making it easier to manage your content. Now, at the top of the library page, you should see an option labeled Canva Designs. Click on it. This section is specifically dedicated to integrating Canva with Constant Contact. By doing so, you can directly import your Canva designs into your Constant Contact library, simplifying the process of using them in your email campaigns. The final step involves clicking on Connect to Canva. This action will initiate the process of linking your Canva account with Constant Contact. You may be prompted to log into your Canva account if you're not already logged in. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between the two platforms. This step is crucial as it allows the seamless transfer of your Canva creations directly into Constant Contact. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Constant Contact to Canva. This integration will save you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on creating and less on managing your designs. Remember, having your designs readily available in Constant Contact means you can quickly and easily incorporate them into your email marketing strategies, enhancing the visual appeal of your communications. If you encounter any issues during the process, make sure to check that you're logged into the correct accounts on both platforms. Also, ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy designing!